Previously on the PEZ book. Oh, wow. There's a lot of pandas and... those are disgusting. And we're doing something with these, but there's more. A box in a box. It's rare that we get a box in a box. Oh, this one. This is a special box. Because this box needs to know what's in the box. They definitely didn't want it to escape. Look at all of the duct tape. Oh, wait a minute. I hear a rattle. I'm not exactly sure how to open this one. Luckily, we have our trusty razor blade. Duct tape seems to be no match. Okay. Just had it upside down. Ugh. Ugh. Tape is horrible. Tape, absolutely. Okay, so I think I see how this box is made. Ugh. Whoa. This duct tape is just getting out of control. I hope that this episode doesn't turn bloody. Better not. Better not. All right. Now let's play the game. What's in the box? Thank you very much, Drew. Drew is the host of the Zoom call that happens on Positively PEZ Heads, the Facebook page. Be sure to check that out every single Thursday. All right. Oh, cool. PezHead42@gmail.com. Drew Lepper, our PezHead friend, who is also a big Star Wars fan and candy pack collector. Oh my. Oh my. This is absolutely amazing. And it works! And it works! Look. This is so cool. This is the, now the official Pez dispenser of the Big Toast. I show this in each one. Oh, this is so cool. So cool. Drew, I can't thank you enough. This is, yeah. See, in Pez collecting, it's not just about, oh, we must have every single one and every version. They must display properly. And no, you can have a royal battler. You can have a frothing pig. I mean, he's obviously enjoying that milkshake. Right. Nothing like a good vanilla milkshake, that's for sure. Well, thank you very much, Drew. So until next time.